Oppolia Home, as a leader in the cabinetry industry, brings 30 years of expertise in custom home furnishing, supported by a comprehensive international manufacturing system. With 5 production bases of 3 million square meters and intelligent manufacturing systems imported from Germany, we achieve an impressive daily output of over 25,000 sets of cabinets. Thanks to our smart warehouse management system, both product quality and production efficiency are significantly enhanced. Our collaboration with world-leading suppliers guarantees that our products meet the highest standards of quality. Additionally, our talented designers from Italy and China set interior design trends, offering a diverse range of styles for customers to choose from. Committed to environmental protection, Oppolia innovates with formaldehyde-free green panels, ensuring that every home we furnish is eco-friendly and safe. We provide a one-stop solution for whole house customization, addressing every space in your home and simplifying your furnishing process with a single purchase. Focusing on your satisfaction, our dedicated team works tirelessly to provide the best plan for your dream home. Oppolia is proud to offer top-quality service to families around the globe, ensuring that every home we touch is beautifully and thoughtfully furnished.